As you know, there's many ways to cover up the ugly edges of plywood. You can buy rolls of veneer that's easy to iron on, or you can make your own hardwood edging like this. I find with the hardwood edging, it's kind of hard to match the exact color and the grain pattern of the plywood. Another thing is that I find that hardwood and plywood usually take the stain a little bit differently, so you might think they're matched, and then when you go to finish it, you know, it might pop out. The other thing is, with hardwood, you still have that seam line when you glue it on, and that can be unsightly as well. But there is a way to match the veneer perfectly, like I did here, and that's using the face veneer of your plywood to make an edge banding. To do that is a multi-step process. I started out at the table saw and set the blade height just a little bit higher than the thickness of my plywood, and then I held the plywood vertically up against the fence and cut a kerf just behind the face veneer of the plywood. Then I came back to the bench here and I used a straight edge and a razor blade to make light scoring passes until I cut that edge banding free. Then after removing that extra width of plywood, I came back, glued that edge banding on using some masking tape to hold it in place, and then coming back with a clamping caul with a little packing tape on it so it wouldn't stick to the glue, and clamp that in place just to get a smooth, even pressure across that edge banding. After the glue was dry, I cleaned up the excess glue and edge banding with a sanding block. And as you can see here, the edge banding perfectly matches the face of the plywood. So if you want to go the extra mile to make your edge banding virtually disappear, I recommend this process.